We're at the disc golf course at the St. Johns County Fairgrounds. Moccasin Creek Disc Golf Course is the name. And we're having the first ever PDGA tournament in St. Johns County. We had a pretty good turnout. We had a maximum field of 100 and we have 90. Disc golf is the greatest game ever invented, in my opinion. And it's played a lot like traditional ball golf, where you count your strokes on each hole and the lowest score wins.